Hello, hello,
Hi,
hello.
क्या हाल है? What's up, Ketan?
I'm good, I'm good, I'm super fantastic, as usual.
As usual, of course, of course. But क्या चल रहा है? I know that you have a flight to catch. Where are you going?
I'm going back to Hyderabad. I have a small
Hyderabad.
work there I have to complete, and again I'll come back. So that's the thing. Lots of travel, travel, travel.
Lots of travel. I'm sure. I'm sure. But you know, you've got like some sort of a break after Mehndi Rachne Wali went off air and the show culminated.
Huh?
So इस break में, because I know you guys have had a hectic schedule. Hectic तो बहुत understatement है. So
It's
what
okay.
have you
Part
been up to?
of the journey. It's
Yeah, yeah. But what have you been up to while back in Bombay? क्या किया आपने?
आते ही पहले के मैं पहला एक हफ्ता तो घर ढूंढने में ही चले गया. House finding a house is a big task in Mumbai, but
Oh,
yeah, it's okay. I like it. I like it. I just love it.
okay. So the pad that you have right now, are you happy with the location? Are you
Oh yeah,
happy with,
yeah, yeah. It's wonderful, nice.
or did you actually go get in talks with someone या फिर you're taking it easy? क्योंकि
And
बॉम्बे में है तो भाई काम की बातें तो चलती रहती है. Did you actually meet someone for work wise, or what has it been like?
work-wise also, I'm discussing a few projects, but
हाँ.
uh, nothing is finalized. So एक बार finalize हो जाए तो मैं डाल दूंगा Instagram पे.
तो मैं देखा कि आप और शिवांगी बहुत पृथ्वी थिएटर से लेके बहुत सारी जो बॉम्बे के हब्स हैं उसमें सारी आप घूम रहे हैं, मस्ती कर रहे हैं. तो ये कैसा रहा? आई मीन व्हाट वाज आई थिंक इट्स वन ऑफ द वीकेंड्स दैट यू गाइस वर चिलिंग.
So yeah,
आई सॉ दोस पिक्चर्स.
like we're chilling this the weekend, last weekend. So we caught up and ऐसे फिर चलो फिर जाते हैं एक restaurant, चलो we'll have a coffee and then we went for a movie and like that. So that's how it happened.
या
Okay, so it's just like what do you say? The old talks, what we had the old talks regarding
आई
men.
नो.
पता है
आई
उससे
नो.
पता है इस दिन ऐसे किया था, पता है वो सीन वैसे किया था, याद है करके. So again after that we called a few friends, our common friends of Mehndi
या
Rashmi, called up like, hey sir man, हम लोग वीडियो कॉल कर रहे थे एक दूसरों के साथ. तो वो
It is pretty nostalgic, yeah, Ketan, because it's been a while that you guys have spent so much time on this show together.
हाँ.
And जैसे मैं पहले भी आप लोगों से जब बात कर रही थी तो मैंने ये कहा होगा कि it's a family, right? And it's very difficult to probably let go of those memories, move on. So these memories you'll always cherish, and this friendship you'll always cherish.
Yeah, definitely. Because first of all, it's my first project. It was my first project, and it was very near and dear to me.
हाँ.
और ऊपर से मतलब, of course, वो एक family बन गई थी. The whole
Hmm.
the set, the people on the set, everyone, they became a family to me. So
Yeah.
it would be a big time memory for me for the entire journey of my life. Down
Yeah.
कहाँ तक मैं जाऊँ, like हाँ मैंने किया था मेहंदी रचने वाले, मैं याद रखूंगा वो. The whole.
From your Telugu TV debut, I think it was what? Agni Sakshi? Was it called Agni Sakshi?
हाँ,
The Telugu.
was like 3 years ago, I guess.
Yeah, yeah. So from then, doing Telugu, like Telugu television industry to, here in North India, the Hindi television industry, did
Huh?
you have to unlearn or probably adjust to certain things when you came here? काम करने का तरीका, or was it almost the same thing?
Oh, well, coming to the Telugu serial industry, not the
Yeah, yeah.
web series or the film industry. I'm talking about the serial part, because like there are three sections now. What we have, that is web series and films and serial. So coming to the serial side in Telugu, we have this thing is like we have to episodes on a very fast pace, बिकॉज टेलीकास्ट होता है, टेलीकास्ट का चक्कर है, चैनल वहां से कॉल करते रहे कि हमें एपिसोड चाहिए, बैंकिंग नहीं है. मतलब 2 दिन के बाद वो टेलीकास्ट दे प्रेशराइज द प्रोडक्शन हाउस, एंड ऑफ
Yeah.
कोर्स pressure is on the actors and the directors and the people who are there on the set, the shooting. So while shooting there is prompting.
Hmm.
You might be knowing what is prompting, like if I
Hmm.
camera I'm telling some dialogue, तो पीछे से कोई मुझे डायलॉग मतलब बता रहा है, पीछे से कोई someone is telling me the dialogue, I'm telling it with the expressions. And so this is the thing in Telugu serial industry. So someone is prompting you from back that this is a dialogue, like you have to just say it on the camera with the expression, और वहाँ बाजू में dubbing होते रहता है. And I can't give my own dubbing because of the time restriction, because we would be shooting from morning 7 o'clock to till night 10, 11, 11:30 भी हो जाता है. And then from that shoot location you have to go to all the way to the dubbing studio. That would be again like 1 hour journey.
Oh. Yeah, absolutely.
That would be again like 1 hour journey. So it's almost like impossible, and it will be too much of pressure on the actor also. So the dubbing artist comes.
Okay.
And he or she gives the dubbing for the actor. If a girl is there, if a female actor is there, like a female dubbing artist will come. So that's the thing. So as an actor, you can't portray too much on.
That's true.
While it's prompting, and someone else is giving your dubbing.
So it's not your voice which eventually your audience actually gets to hear, you know?
Yeah.
When the serial is out on television for people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This happens to even all the leads of the show also in Telugu serial. All the male leads, the female leads, and everyone, mostly everyone, the supporting cast also. So this happens with everyone. So as an actor, you can't portray so much. But here, coming to the Hindi serial industry, so this is too much different, and I really love it. I really love it because it is sing sound.
Yeah, exactly. I was going to come to that. Yeah.
I really love it. So it is sing sound. Matlab, as an actor, you're portraying like completely. Like, हाँ मैं हूँ इस situation में. I'm playing with my voice modulations and everything. Like even if I breathe, that is recorded. So that's a plus point here, and it's almost like a theater play what you do, because you have given a 3-page scene and you have to perform it. Like how you perform naturally on stage, that's how you perform on camera. So it's wonderful. It's nice.
So the fact that you got to play Raghav Rao for Mehndi Hai Rachne Wali, and it was in sync with what you are and who you are as a person as far as language is concerned, you know, because you play this guy who knows Telugu is the language, and you know, aapka Hindi will be like, you know, not at par, not Shuddh Hindi, and it went in sync with Raghav Rao's character. But you know, moving on, since you love the industry and you obviously, God willing, will be doing a lot of work over here. Have you actually worked on your Hindi? Have you taken classes? What has it been like? जब शुरू किया था, कभी ये था कि वो हिंदी सीखनी पड़ेगी, पता नहीं कैसे करूँगा? Did you think about it?
Why should I even go to Hindi classes? मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. क्यों जाऊँ हिंदी क्लासेस सीखने के लिए? मुझे आती है हिंदी.
मुझे आती है.
I can speak, I can read and write Hindi properly.
You write Hindi? Whoa.
Yeah, my second language was Hindi, of course. I'm a CBSE guy.
ये CBSE की बात ना करो, अभी बहुत controversial situation चल रही है CBSE की.
नहीं, तब.
But yeah.
2000s, in the late 2000s, CBSE was a good board, central board.
Yeah.
Delhi Sun. I can read and write Hindi.
So ये जो question मैंने आपसे पूछा है, do you get that often when you go for auditions? Can you speak in Hindi? Do you get that often?
No, I don't get. But people, I don't get. Usually, I don't get. But people who have watched this show and then they like, they get confused. क्या इस बंदे को सच में हिंदी आती है या थोड़ी ऊपर नीचे है? मतलब they get confused. So then clarified. Then I say like, देखो भैया, ये मैं शो के लिए कर रहा हूँ. वो एक कैरेक्टर बात कर रहा हूँ ऐसा. That's it. वो एक कैरेक्टर है राघव राव and उसकी हिंदी वैसी है. मैं इस बात करूँगा ना शो में. Common sense.
So okay. So what we're going to do is, since we are obviously talking, हमने भाई बहुत सारे सायशी और रागवी interviews तो किए हैं in the past. This is the individual interview that I wanted to do at the beginning when Mehndi Hai Rachne Wali started, before the 100th episode also. But it so happened that we could not do it. इस वजह से मैंने आपको request किया था कि एक standalone interview आपके साथ मैं केतन करना चाहती हूँ. So let's actually do a nostalgic trip down the memory lane and let's go back to your firsts, okay? Your first time doing certain things, and let's see what memory surge happens, okay? While during the course of the conversation. Okay?
Yeah.
So let's get going. So the first time, since you are in Mumbai right now, आपका पहली बार, the first time in Bombay, what was it like?
My first
Time in Mumbai.
my first time in Mumbai when I was in 6th or 7th class, and like I just wanted to have vada pav.
Why vada pav?
मैंने
Gateway of India पे.
मम्मी मुझे वड़ा पाव चाहिए. मम्मी ने बोला ठीक है चलो खाते चलो.
So where did you go? Gateway of India?
I don't remember the place.
हाँ.
That time I was not even in Mumbai. I was in Dombivli. So that is like 30-35 kilometers from the center Mumbai.
Yeah.
We had to travel in the train, the MMTS. Then we came to the city somewhere and हमने वड़ा पाव खाया.
Okay. Your first audition, first ever audition. How was it? Do you remember your first audition?
Yes, my first ever audition was. This is this is a. Can you listen?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Yeah. So my first ever audition was in Banjara Hills. It's a part of the city in Hyderabad, and I was engineering third year. And you might be knowing Sandeep Reddy Bhanga, the director of Arjun Reddy.
Reddy, yeah.
And then now he's into Kabir Singh and he's planning another movie. Yeah. So I went his audition. So this was quite shady because it was like way before Arjun Reddy. So his office was there. It was quite shady and he was like in a messed up look. And I asked him, sir, this movie ka hero kaun hai? And he told, it's Vijay Deverakonda. Okay. So, आप किसके लिए कौन से कैरेक्टर के लिए ऑडिशन कर रहे हो सर मेरा? He told that it's the friend's character. So like he has 3 friends. So all as a doctor and I want to like give me audition, then we can see. Okay, sir, fine. I gave an audition. It was terrific. Because I gave the audition during my engineering days and back then I was in a very chill manner.
You were in what?
I was in a very chill manner, in a laid back manner. Okay. So इसलिए audition नहीं दिया. I didn't know this. I didn't give the audition properly. But afterwards, I got a call. After 1 month, I got a call that Sandeep, he himself called me and told me, hi, Ketan, you got selected. So we would be needing you in the next month. You have a shoot of like 1 week something for a certain role. Then I told sir, I can't come because I have my exams.
Ooh. Otherwise, you would have been part of Arjun Reddy.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Because I have my exams and I had my exams. It was a genuine thing. I had my exams. Because engineering, every month you have some exams or every 2 months you have some exams and all counted in your finals also. Like I had to attend it. So, पढ़ाकू बच्चा बन गया था तभी. And then I gave my exams. I cancelled it, sir. I can't come. I think you can.
Oh. But yeah, first audition and you cracked it. Way to go, Ketan. Way to go.
But I myself, I think like genuinely, I didn't do the audition properly. मैंने 100% दिया ही नहीं था. ये मुझे पता है. Actor, you know, कि मैंने कुछ किया है तो मैंने अंदर से मैंने कुछ किया है या बस just for the sake I have done it. So that's what I felt.
That's some story. Okay. Your first acting gig, first acting assignment, the very first.
My first acting assignment was for a short film. And the director of the short film, his name is Sri Hari. So right now he's working for some media house there in Hyderabad. And of course, the short film never came out. It never came out. So I was not in that short. I was the brother in that.
Achha. Okay. Your first paycheck, how much did you receive for that?
My first paycheck was 100 rupees.
100 rupees? What did you do to receive 100 rupees, to get 100 rupees?
The same short film. The same short.
100 rupees में किया आपने?
It was like 1 day का shoot.
अच्छा.
शॉर्ट फिल्म ही है, 2 या 3 दिन का रहेगा शूट
हाँ
मैक्सिमम.
हाँ.
So I had only 1 day shoot.
Okay, all right.
It was
The
like
first time.
just like
हाँ
I
हाँ
did
sorry.
7 years back.
हाँ. 7, 8 years back. Okay,
No, six,
okay,
7 years back.
okay, okay. Your first time that you've had a celebrity encounter, the very first time that you remember.
My first time, yeah, I have. So, of course, like I really love Rana Daggubati, and it's his birthday today. And so when I joined this theatre film school there in Hyderabad, the film school name is Ramanadu Film School, and it also like Rana is one of the chairperson member. He's one of the founding member of that film school. So he came down and he was talking to the whole class and everything. And that was my first celebrity encounter. Like, hi sir, big fan. Can I take a selfie with you? So that's the thing. It was like 4 years back. 5 years back. 5 years.
He's a very genuine guy also. Beautiful person. I mean, every
Yeah.
time I've met him, very down to earth and very genuine. Good to speak to. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, he has a lot,
Okay, all right.
like about films and all. He talks like the next level. He has a lot of knowledge and
Yeah.
best
Okay,
has. He's a
all
fantastic
right. So from celebrity encounter to the first fan encounter, very first fan encounter, if you remember.
एनकाउंटर. तो अभी आजकल मतलब बहुत ही हो रहा है. But
हाँ.
yeah, on set down there in Kolhapur, जब हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे, so this for a certain fan group, they came from uh, Singapore.
Okay.
Singapore से आए वो लोग. The
हाँ
whole
हाँ.
to Kolhapur, and they met me and Shivangi, and they were like big fans. Like, and then the show was only like 3 months old, I guess. 2 or 3 months old the show was.
हाँ हाँ.
Fantastic, man. कोई मतलब कोई सिंगापुर से आ रहा है, कोई family आ रही है, and this the kids, they want to meet Raghav and Pallavi, and like it was nice. It was something out of the world.
और अभी अभी जब आप लोग बॉम्बे में घूम रहे
क्या
हैं तब कोई क्रेजी फैन एनकाउंटर हुआ हो तो
क्या?
अभी जब बॉम्बे में आप लोग वापस आए व्हेन यू रिटर्न एनी
Yeah.
क्रेजी और फन फैन एनकाउंटर जब आपने बोला ना अभी कि बहुत
Eh,
सारे फैन एनकाउंटर्स हुए
Crazy मतलब अभी it's not crazy now. It's become like a part of the day now. Like कहीं मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ, कहाँ मैं रेस्टोरेंट में, if I'm drinking some coffee वगैरह. Someone asked like, आप Raghav Rao, no? You have done that show में in the restaurant. Like, yeah. Can we have a selfie? So,
That's sweet. That's sweet. Okay. The first time you actually, while emoting, you actually cried, like genuinely cried dil se, while emoting an emotional sequence while filming
there are
for something.
there are many scenes, but particularly there is this one scene that I felt like I genuinely cried. That was in front of Pallavi's house. I slosh out and then I come. मैं पल्लवी के घर के सामने बोलता हूँ, पल्लवी बाहर आओ, बाहर आओ. उसके पहले जो सीन था, उस सीन में मैं एक अवार्ड जीतता हूँ फॉर द बेस्ट बिजनेसमैन ऑफ द ईयर. दैट गोज टू जयति ज्वेल्स, दैट गोज टू राघव राव. एंड उस अवार्ड फंक्शन में पल्लवी नहीं आती है, सो आई मिस हर अ लॉट. आई गो टू हर हाउस और उसके सामने मतलब पूरा एक तमाशा कर देता हूँ उस घर के सामने, लेकिन कोई बाहर आता ही नहीं है. तो इट्स अ सिंगल मैन परफॉर्मेंस, द होल सीन.
Okay.
I
Okay.
felt like I did something. The day for night sequence, a normal
हाँ.
sequence. So before it में क्या होता है? Dino lights. Dino lights are like high powerful intensity lights. They're like very strong lights. So even if the light is somewhere here, at a distance of 2 or 3 feet, you'll feel the heat. And it is burning heat. Your whole
Okay.
face, the whole skin becomes red, super red.
Yeah.
That much heat. It's that much, itna garm.
Got
And I was performing in that environment because that scene was supposed to be shot in the night, but we couldn't shoot it. हम लोग सुबह शूट कर रहे थे with those lights to get those
Okay.
correctly. मतलब आउटपुट में वो ऐसा आएगा जैसे कि वो नाइट में शूटिंग
रात का shoot है. हाँ. Okay.
just correctly. But yeah, it was a very tough scene क्योंकि मैं उस लाइट्स के सामने परफॉर्म कर रहा था और बहुत थे, कितने थे, आई गेस लाइक Close to 8 to 10 lights there. And each
My
light is
God.
like
My
so
God.
like 10 lights are there in front of you, placed here, there, like very close to you. You will
And
feel.
all your fans are saying that that scene, that drunken scene was super. It was epic. ये सारे messages आ रहे हैं आपको. It was, and one thing that I keep getting, Ketan, is when are you guys, you and Shivangi, doing a music video together? What's this news about you guys doing a music video together?
So yes, of course, this the first credit regarding the music video. This goes to the whole fandom of Mehndi Rashnewali, the whole fandom of Sai and Shivangi. They had approached different music channels, different music directors, and
हाँ,
different persons in the industry.
हाँ.
मतलब वो लोग मैसेज कर रहे थे, कमेंट कर रहे थे, like साई शिवांगी को लेना, साई और शिवांगी. And one such thing happened, like Pratik Gandhi is one of the music directors there.
Yeah, yeah.
Of course, he has wonderful lineup of music. He has wonderful lineup of albums. What I've heard, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. And so fans also in bulk. और प्रतीक मतलब पहला सोच रहा था कौन है ये दोनों मतलब what is this? What is this? Wait. Let me figure it out. So he tried to, like, he opened our profiles, मेरा profile खोला, like Shivangi का, and then he told, अच्छा ये दो, they both are like actors, they are co-actors, they just completed a show, now they're fans for, what do you say, the
A music video
album.
together, yeah.
So
Yeah.
then that's how Pratik contacted. Pratik messaged me on Instagram. Like, then he told, like, bro, can I get your number? I want to talk to you regarding music album, and let's collaborate and let's do something. Then in the same way he messaged Shivangi also, and that's how it happened. So now yes, we have finalized a song, and बहुत अच्छा गाना है, fans को भी पसंद आएगा. We have finalized just recently, and अभी song बन रहा है.
Wow.
But we have finalized a song. But Pratik gave me, Pratik showed me, me and Shivangi, थोड़े samples Pratik ने बताया उसकी studio में. We went to his place, we talked, everything हो गया. So we just finalized a song, and he's developing the song now. Now we are
Wow.
checking for the locations, shoot locations.
Huh.
Mostly it will be out soon. So it's still in
So
the.
the shooting is going to be in Bombay or outside somewhere?
वो भी डिसाइड नहीं किया है. लाइक हम लोग मुंबई में शूट करेंगे या कहीं और शूट करेंगे, वो भी डिसाइड नहीं किया है. तो दैट्स द थिंग. सो ही इज फाइनलाइजिंग ऑन द लोकेशंस कि लेट्स कहाँ करें, मुंबई में करें या कहीं और, मे बी इन द नॉर्थ और मे बी साउथ, और इट डिपेंड्स ऑन हिम. मतलब even he has his own taste because it's his music, and he's also even the director is like giving his ideas, his inputs. So let's see.
Wow. So all thanks to your fans and the love of your fans that
Yeah,
push
yeah.
Pratik casually contacting you guys. Yeah.
We thank the fans, the fandom, and the whole Tasbu gang. This credit goes to them. This is for you. And please, जैसे गाना बाहर आएगा, मतलब वायरल कर देना, व्यूज चाहिए. I want to this album to go haywire.
My God.
I know that.
Inshallah. Of course it will.
Yeah.
So let me also take a few questions, Ketan, before I let you go. This is by Sight Unrevealed, and they want to ask you, what do you have to say about the writer for giving such a story and the characters for Mehndi Rachnewali?
I would say, like, this is hats off to you. All the respects, all the honors to you. And I felt like, whoa, when I heard the role of Raghav Rao, मुझे बहुत ही पसंद आया, and I felt somewhere down the line that this role is somewhere connected to me, and I felt too much into it. And I loved it to play. So I should give thanks to Sandeep Sikand sir, the producer and the creative.
Right. This is also by Tanya Dev. She wants to know about any next project that you can talk about. Eagerly waiting, she says.
Any next project? अभी तो फिलहाल गाना आ रहा है, एल्बम आ रहा है, साई और, तो उसके लिए वेट करना, जल्दी आएगा.
अच्छा, ये क्वेश्चन बहुत बार आता है. When is the part 2 coming? Season 2 of Mehndi Rachnewali. This is by Shraddha Suman.
Currently, as an actor, I don't know, क्योंकि मैं I'm not the मतलब I am not the producer. I am not the maker of the show. So I don't know
Wow.
when is part 2 coming. लेकिन
Mhm.
अब करते रहना शायद कभी आ जाए in future. I don't.
Sad. Okay. Okay, this is an interesting question. This is by Minor Mello. Your favorite musical instrument? Do you have a favorite musical instrument? And do you play anything?
I don't play any musical instrument. My sister does. So
Okay, wow.
she taught me to play guitar. She
Oh,
has
wow.
कितने 3 है मेरे बहन के पास. So she taught me. She's a little girl. She is in 11th class now.
Okay. Wow, man. That's good. So how far have you gone in the guitar lessons?
And she's telling me ये आपकी मतलब काम में भी फिल्म्स में भी काम आ जाएगा. कहाँ सीन में शूटिंग में काम आ.
You should actually post a session once you are in Hyderabad with her teaching you guitar. Huh? By the way, we want to see you from the guitar.
I'm still very much mature in that field. I have to learn a lot.
So because this is one of the questions. See, fan girl Sai Ketan Rao, why are you so inactive these days? ये complain है by the way, social media पे inactive क्यों हो आप?
तो मैं इनएक्टिव इसलिए था क्योंकि मैं घर ढूंढ रहा था पिछले कुछ दिन.
हाँ.
और जब घर ढूंढ रहा हूँ मैं ब्रोकर से बात कर रहा हूँ या कहाँ जा रहा हूँ तो क्या करूँ मैं क्या पोस्ट करूँ. बट यस आई एम सीइंग ऑल योर फैन एडिट्स. आई एम सीइंग ऑल योर फोटोज एडिट्स एंड एवरीथिंग योर मैसेजेस. आई एम सीइंग मतलब daily morning, every morning whenever I open my Instagram, I am getting welcomed by the same intensity, by the warmth and the welcome. The प्यार जो मिलता है मुझे हर रोज जो पहले से मिलते रहा है, the same thing I'm getting today. जैसे मैं खोलता I'm getting all the edits, the tags, the mentions, the photos, the videos about मेहंदी रचने वाली, about me and everything. अच्छा लगता है, like feel good. Yes, the fans are strong there. They're strong.
Okay, this is by Mystic Creations.
How
How was
was
your meet with
Sandeep?
Sandeep Sikandar
And
Namikpal?
yeah, it was just a casual lunch.
Hmm.
What we had Bali Hill. So Sandeep sir, he asked me that, are you free? Are you in Mumbai? Chalo, let's catch up and we'll come. Chalo, milte hain lunch ke liye. And that's how it happened. And apparently someone, I don't know, someone from that restaurant recorded the
हाँ.
video and posted कि Sai और शिवांगी on a lunch date.
Oh,
और ये YouTube पे अभी फ्लोट हो रहा है ये वीडियो.
oh my God.
हम लोग खा रहे हैं, बाजू में शिवांगी है, इस तरफ नमीक है एंड उस तरफ संदीप सर है और मेरे ऑपोजिट देयर इज वीना आंटी. वीना आंटी इज
हाँ.
बेसिकली संदीप सर's mom and we all are sitting there and like someone रिकॉर्ड किया ने पोस्ट कर दिया साई एंड शिवांगी आर ऑन अ डेट.
तो ये fan aspirations भी है ना केतन. These are fan aspirations. I mean, because they've seen you so much on air that in real life also they make a certain connection.
yeah
मतलब ये प्यार ही है एक तरह का. I mean, this is
अच्छा
the
लगता
love
है.
of your fans. Yeah.
But please don't get in a false manner, don't get in a false environment, what I say. ऐसा
Yeah.
कुछ सोचना मत.
Absolutely. Absolutely. अच्छा ये ज़ैनब का सवाल है. Is he going to stay in Mumbai since he is searching for a house? Now you finally zeroed in on this house where you are at या फिर अभी और ढूंढना है?
नहीं हो गया
हो गया. Okay.
Yeah, so my there in Mumbai and in Hyderabad, I'm staying in 2 places. So up and down, up and down, up and down. That's it.
So what we're going to do, Ketan, कि जब आपका music video आता है कल, I'm going to be interviewing Shivangi again. That is again a solo thing. You will be in Hyderabad. जब आप लोगों का music video आएगा, so we'll do another interview. And then probably if you're doing it virtually, then you can give us a tour of your new house in Bombay. तब तक आप थोड़ा उसको settle भी कर चुके होंगे,
Yeah.
I think.
What box? Yeah.
What boxes? I can imagine. I can imagine. But we'll not keep you. I know you have a flight to catch. So we wish you all the best for your future. Have a safe flight and let's meet soon.
Yep. See you. Take care. Bye.
See you. You too. Bye. Bye.